Hi, it's Kevin with Koopman Lumber Rentals. Today we're going to be explaining the operation of the Steel Cutoff Saw for cutting concrete or asphalt. Available for rental is an Asphalt Blade. This particular one is set up with the concrete blade. You can see the segmenting differences there. Or you can also purchase a concrete or asphalt blade, or if you needed to cut metal, you can also rent a blade for cutting metal. For starting the saw, click that to the on position. There is a decompression button on the top that'll make it easier to pull over, and it's basically just pull and go. This particular model is fuel injected. There is no carburetor, you don't need to choke the machine, and it's not going to flood itself. When cutting concrete and asphalt, you'll want to hook water up to this on this side. When you first turn the machine on with your water, no water will be coming out. On the back side, when you throttle up, the water will automatically come on, and you can turn up or turn down how much water is dispensed or shut it off completely. For shutting the machine off, just clicking the button forward, and a couple of safety pointers. You'll want to make sure that the shroud is in position for how you're going to be cutting. If you're doing a horizontal cut, or if you're doing a vertical cut, you can adjust this to whichever position is better for how the blade is most covered. When operating the saw, you'll want to keep two hands on it. If you're right-handed or left-handed, whichever you're more comfortable with, it is set up to be either. Available for rent at Koopman Lumber Rental are diamond blades. This one segmented for asphalt with the wider gaps for clearing out the material. This one with closer gaps together is for concrete. You can also purchase a composite blade from Koopman Lumber if you chose not to rent a diamond blade. Available for purchase at Koopman Lumber are a composite blade for doing asphalt, a separate one for concrete, or a separate one for cutting steel. If you need to change out your blade because composite blades will wear out, we'll provide you with a wrench. Just get a firm grasp on this hand when the machine is off. Give it a downward motion. Take that off, set it aside. The blade will pop off. These blades are directional. It'll tell you which way the blade should be turning. It always cuts down at the bottom. So make sure that the arrow is facing down at the front and the bottom. There's two little tabs on this that line back up into the shaft. Again, take a firm grasp of it and just give it about a half a turn. You'll feel when it's good and tight. You don't have to really worry about over tightening it, and good to go.